Welcome to our 1-bedroom unit. Let me take you on a quick tour. So the first thing you're going to notice about this unit is when you walk in how large the living room is. There's plenty of space for all of your furniture with still a lot of room for comfort. When we walk through the living room, you're going to come to your open concept where the kitchen connects right here. This comes with a gas stove, upgraded countertops, and plenty of storage space. Then it comes into your dining room area, which gives you plenty of space for a dining room table. You can go long, you can go circular, you can fit anything right here. Again, perfect for entertaining. Right here you have your bathroom area, which has a beautiful, again, counter space that's updated. Lots of natural lighting. We already have the candles lit for you. The bathroom is gorgeous. And here's your bedroom, where you're gonna relax at the end of a long day. This room is large enough to fit a king in if you want. It also has a lot of space for any of your side tables. Again, excellent lighting. And not only do you get one closet, you get two. So the one thing I can't physically show to you is the top class management you get in any Carlo Inc. property. If you ask any of our past residents, they'll tell you that residents come first for us, and we look forward to putting you first.